Hi there, students. A docket, a countable noun. I guess you could use it as a verb as well, to docket. Okay, to me, when I hear the word docket, because I'm British, I think about the paperwork that accompanies a parcel. Um, so the courier brought me the parcel and got me to sign his docket. Nowadays, this is something normally on a mobile phone or some sort of thing that's connected to internet. But yeah, it's the documentation that goes with a consignment or with a package. Yeah, a delivery driver. He'll want you to sign his docket. Maybe he goes to the supermarket with a truck, and he's delivering 20,000 types of yogurt to the supermarket. He will have a docket. It's some sort of chit. Yeah, it normally labels or it lists everything that is in the consignment. Yeah, and you want some sort of signature to say that it's been delivered. In the US, I think you might use this in British, but in the US, a docket is a legal word. It's the list of cases for a law court that are waiting to be heard. They are pending. Yeah. So there were 300 cases on the docket, on the docket of the court. 300 cases waiting, and clearly there is someone in charge. You could also probably use this word docket in American, talking about a list of things to be done. Yeah, I'm not sure in British English I would use it like this. Okay, so a docket, for me, it's the paperwork that goes with something, the accompanying paperwork. Um, but nowadays all of this is electronic. Yeah, it's the ticket or the ticket that goes with something, or maybe even the label to show its contents, maybe even to show how to use it. Yeah. Um, so make sure when you take charge of the delivery, make sure that everything is on the docket. Yeah, it's all listed. So a docket, I think it's very much like a receipt. It's the paperwork that goes with something, particularly that goes with a delivery or a consignment or a set of things in it that are in transport. This makes me think about the bill of lading. Yeah, the bill of lading is normally a docket that shows everything that is being transported in a vehicle, in an aeroplane, on a truck, in a ship. And effectively, the bill of lading is the docket that shows everything that is in the in the consignment, in the cargo. It gives details of everything there is. Maybe it gives details of where it's coming to, of where it's going to, where it's coming from. It probably gives maybe gives customs details if it needs to be transported from one place to another. And then in American, the list of cases that a court, or maybe the agenda, the things that need to be dealt with for a business as well. So let's see, formality on the docket. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could probably use it informally. No, I think I'd use it semi-formally. It's a business word. Semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, Maybe it comes from a doc or document, or I'm not sure. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Docket.